Fix ChatGPT account has been deleted or deactivated 2026. Have you tried to log into ChatGPT only to see a message saying your account has been deleted or deactivated? It's a heart-sinking moment, especially if you rely on it for work or have a long history of chats. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain exactly why this happens in 2026 and the official steps you can take to appeal the decision or get your access back. The deleted or deactivated error usually stems from one of four things: a violation of content policies, suspicious login activity from a VPN, a failed subscription payment, or a mistake in OpenAI's automated security system. Here is how to handle it. Step 1. Check your email. When an account is deactivated, OpenAI almost always sends an automated email explaining the reason. Look for a message from OpenAI support in your inbox and your spam folder. This will tell you if the deactivation is temporary or permanent. Step 2. Visit the official help center. Go to help.openai.com. Look for the small chat bubble icon in the bottom right corner. This is the official support bot, which is the only way to start a formal recovery request. Step 3. Submit an appeal. In the chat window, type deactivated account. The bot will guide you through a series of questions. Select the option that says, "I believe this was a mistake," and provide a brief, professional explanation of your typical usage. Step 4. Verify your billing. If you are a Plus subscriber, log into your banking app to see if a recent payment was declined. Sometimes a deactivation is simply a suspended workspace due to a billing error. Updating your payment method through the OpenAI billing portal can trigger an automatic reactivation. Step 5. Clear your browser and disable VPNs. Sometimes this error is a false positive caused by your IP address. Clear your browser cache, turn off any VPNs or aggressive ad blockers, and try logging in again. If you can log in on your phone's mobile data but not your home Wi-Fi, the issue is your network, not a deleted account. Here is an expert pro tip. If your account was truly deleted by you in the past, OpenAI's 2026 policy generally prevents you from reusing that same email address for 30 days. If you're in a hurry to get back to work, use an email alias, for example. If your email is name@gmail.com, try signing up as name+ai@gmail.com. Most email providers will send the verification code to your original inbox, but OpenAI will treat it as a brand new account. By following these official channels, you give yourself the best chance of recovering your data and conversations. If this video helped you understand what happened to your account, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI troubleshooting. Are you still stuck behind the deactivation screen? Tell me the specific error code you see in the comments and I'll try to help you out.